2024, last year.
February 13, 2024. Tapos,
Di ba naalala mo yung mga group consultations mo?
okay. Oh, part ka pala yun na. Aba, ang galing ha. Okay.
Sumali ako doon. Oo, sumali ako doon. Tapos hindi ako naka-join kasi nga may ginagawa ako. Tapos sabi ko, paano yun? Nagbayad ako ng 50. Hindi ako maka-join.
Ikaw pala yun.
Kaya,
Ikaw pala yun.
Mag-online consultation.
Okay.
Ang kulit ko sa, diba? Sa Gmail.
Buti na lang pala kinulit mo ako, Grabe.
Lahat ng
Wow. But anyway, nakuha mo yung LMIA, pero before you got the LMIA, you seek a consultation ng one-on-one sa akin, tama? Nalala ko yun. With your employer.
Ng prospect, employer.
Okay. And then, di ba, I always tell everyone na ang caregiver program, it can actually be returned, it can be returned, it can be refused, or it can be approved. Now, even if it is caregiver.
Kaya nga, di ba, nung nag-usap tayo, di ba, iyak ako ng iyak nun kasi, tulungan mo naman ako.
I know. Pero hindi na bago sa akin, maraming umiiyak.
Kasi nagbabasa rin. Kaya nga, nagbabasa rin ako, sabi, hindi na pwede yung visitor to caregiver, gano'n. Kaya, tapos yun.
Tapos,
Oh my God!
Are you trying to repeat what we've done a while ago? We wanted to actually, I believe that you want to inspire people. That's why I'm repeating this information na naka-record. It's not because we wanted to be boastful, but part of it, we have to be proud of what we have done.
But then, parang hindi pa kasi, parang hanggang ngayon, nanginginig pa nga ako.
Oh, yeah? Nasabi mo na ba sa mga employer mo?
Oo, nasabi ka na. Tapos,
Amazing.
Sila, hindi makapalalag.
Awesome.
Really? You stayed with Norlin still, right? I was like, I did. I was like,
I know. Your employer really, very supportive, and I believe I can feel it that they really like you, they love you actually, and at the same time, meron silang tiwala eh. So that's what's happening nowadays. May mga employer talaga, nakagaya nila, mga real employer, they don't trust everything, they don't trust the process, and they are so doubtful. And if that's the case, trust me, I will never stick to them kasi alam ko na, you have to be inspired when you do a job. It is not easy. It's not really easy na, okay, you're paying me and I do the job. Hindi ganun eh. Dapat kasi talagang i-connect mo lahat kung ano yung knowledge mo as an immigration consultant. There are two options na pwede ka kasi nga private yung employer mo. You can get an LMIA under housekeeper, pero that housekeeper can be returned because of the ministerial information or policy right now na pag foreign national ka, which is tourist visa, mga pure tourist visa, hindi ka pwedeng mag-apply ng work permit na LMIA overseas or as a foreign national. Now, ang pangalawa is housekeeper. Walang restriction yun. Pwede kang mag-apply dito sa loob ng Canada, process sa labas ng Canada kasi yun yung restriction at yun yung bagong policy. Pero ang sabi ko, ito yung pinaka-main thing na sinasabi ko sa lahat, and I really hope na I can educate other immigration consultant as well na mapa-housekeeper ka man sa LMIA or mapa-LMIA caregiver or nanny ka man, there are the same reason ng kanilang refusal. Hindi naman same lahat, pero parang template yung kanilang refusal. Mayroon ding ibabalik at mayroon ding hindi sila naniniwala sa job offer or sa LMIA na genuine siya at mayroong approval, and you're part of it. And I believe you've seen my aking mga vlog na kagaya mo, na-approvean sila eh. So now, eto na yung challenge na isang bagay na yes, kailangan mong lumabas ng country right now with the approval. So parang ang sistema niyan is you will gonna be going out na parang manggagaling ka overseas, coming back with that approval na letter na sinend ko sa'yo. Then ipapakita mo yung contract mo, papakita mo LMI mo, then they will gonna print out, CBSA will gonna print out a work permit sa'yo. Ganun yon. So anytime you can go out, you can go to Mexico or any place, kasi yun ang lagi kong sinasabi, huwag ka na kang pumunta sa Pilipinas. Kasi when you go to Philippines, hahanapan ka ng ROE, hahanapan ka ng tawag dito, hindi lang ROE. Hindi pala ROE, Polo at saka OEC ang hahanapin sa'yo. And that's the sad part. Kasi nga,
Kaya
it will
nga,
gonna take time bago mo pa mahawakan yung
kailangan ko kasi
permit.
yung, kailangan kasi ako ng employer ko.
I can tell.
Perfect timing
Yeah.
rin kasi,
Yeah.
yun daw.
You need to arrange your I don't know if we call it vacation or exit na lang and then coming in yung
Yeah.
entry mo. Arrange mo siya as soon as possible.
Mahirap din pag
I've heard from other people, it's nothing naman. I know my nanny, my housekeeper, they're coming in and out dito sa Canada after they get the approval na nandito sila sa loob ng Canada. Wala naman naging problema. It was all good. So, you just need to bring your passport at saka yung LMIA and that letter of approval from the IRCC. So it's a good thing.
Thank you so much.
Ang maganda pa nito, may PR pathway yung work permit mo. Okay? So you took a chance, big time, to taking a chance honestly. And then ang maganda nito, may PR pathway. So once na nakuha mo na yung work permit mo, accumulate 6 months as we speak. That's the reality right now. That's the policy. Accumulate 6 months, assuming that you take that English exam, CLB4 ang result at the same time. High school diploma sa ECA mo is high school.
Meron ako ng lahat
See? So that's experience na lang kulang so that you could be able to bring your whole family eventually at makakapag-apply ka with your family. So that's the beautiful. That's beautiful. So now, before we end, I know that you're busy. I wanna hear out kung ano bang gusto mong mai-share sa ating mga followers at saka mga tao na nangangarap na kagaya mo, tourist visa, nakakuha ng LMIA, legitimate employer, and then you got this approval. Nandito ka sa loob ng Canada and prinasis natin sa labas. What can you tell them? I know magaling ka dyan.
Sige. Magaling. Sige, see you sa mga katulad ko na nangangarap. Pero para bang ready na isuko yung pangarap, huwag tayong mawala. Ano ba? Bakit ba ako naiiyak?
Paiyakin mo na naman ako niyan.
Huwag lang tayong mawala ng pag-asa kasi meron talagang ilala ng Diyos sa atin. Parang magtiwala lang tayo sa sarili at sa mga plano ng Diyos para sa atin. Kasi hindi niya talaga tayo pababayaan. Tapos yung naniniwala kasi ako na parang nandito tayo kasi may plano ang Diyos. So, parang maglalaan siya ng mga tao na pwede tayong tulungan. Kagaya sa'yo, ikaw, alam mo naman, sabi ko nga sa'yo, nung una pa lang, sabi ko, ikaw na talaga yung mag-process ng paper ko kasi, wala na talaga akong ibang parang, I will not trust anyone who will handle my paper and probably will be approved.
I know.
Ikaw lang talaga nasa isip ko. Isang reply mo nga lang, kinikilig na ako. Tapos yun na nga, parang we don't know personally, like we don't know each other personally, tapos hindi nga tayo nagkita personally kasi nandito ako sa Edmonton, malayo ka.
Malayo,
But you know,
yes.
because I trust you, and yeah, I'm really a follower and a fan, you know.
Thank you.
Hindi naman akong nagsasabi sa'yo na eh.
Yeah, lagi mong sinasabi sa akin yan.
And when things got complicated with immigration, so I decided to trust you with my papers and all. So, like, yung word lang talaga na struck ako when we had those conversations is yung sinabi mo talaga sa akin na yung tayo na lang dalawa, iniwan na tayo ng employer ko via yung natira na minutes na nag-consultation tayo. Sabi mo talaga sa akin na, I will fight for you till the end, tapos di kita iiwan. Yun lang talaga ang palaging tumatatak sa isip ko, which is true naman. Yun naman ginawa mo. Kahit ang kulit ko, ano ba? May update na ba?
I know.
Tapos yun, naniniwala kasi ako